Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoArch. Today's video is on virtual lines issue of AutoCAD. Sometimes a error occurs while working in AutoCAD. Like if we zoom in or out, there are some sort of lines visible like on screen. So to get rid of those virtual lines, we will type graphics config on command line and hit enter button. Then the graphic performance dialog box appears. We will untick the smooth line display option and click OK button. Now we will refresh the screen and can resume our work to do. Thank you for watching.